Are you avoiding these 30 grammar mistakes in American English? Hey guys, Jeff with Fluent American, and I'll show you the more natural way to say each of these again in American English. 2 hours lunch. 2-hour lunch. Take off the S when it's an adjective. 2 hours and a half. 2.5 hours. Put the hours at the end. It's great. It was great. The verb to be does not contract in the past tense. The plan of my manager. My manager's plan. Much more common to use apostrophe S to show possession. I dare not go. I refuse to go. I really don't want to go. You do want to be in this. English language. Just say English. You don't need to add language. Blue color. Just blue. Like for instance, the bag was blue. I know the woman, you know her. I know the woman you know. Don't add extra objects to your adjective clauses. Know deeply. Know something really well. Deeply isn't used a whole lot with knowledge. The team are. The family are. The team is. The family is. It's treated as singulars. One family, two families. Her teacher's surprised. Her teacher is surprised. Don't drop the verb to be. I haven't gone still. I haven't gone yet. Watch out for confusing still and yet. Even I don't know. I don't even know. I know him the first time. I met him the first time. Bye. We'll see you later. You might make it into the video. Knowledge is. Knowledge. I heard a news. I heard some news. Watch news. Watch the news. Open the lights. Turn on the lights. In hospital. In the hospital. The in American English. I learned skiing. I learned how to ski. Learn how to do something. I let him to go home. I let him go home. With let, you don't need the to. They don't be proud. They aren't proud. The verb to be doesn't take the verb to do. Work was intensive. Work was intense. Intensive is not a very common adjective. Do you make any of these grammar mistakes? Let me know in the comments. I went to there. I went there. I back home. I went back home. Back cannot be a verb. He's in the team. He's on the team. On a team. Slangs. Slang. Keep it in the non-count form. Small talks. Small talk. Keep it in the non-count form. A 5 years old. A 5-year-old. Notice no S when you're using it as a noun. A 5-year-old. They're tanned. They're tan. Not sure if you're making these mistakes in your speaking? We can take a look at your speaking every day in our Telegram group.